Right from the opening seconds, you can tell this is not a routine interaction. The suspect is coughing repeatedly, giving strange explanations, and the officer is trying to figure out what's going on. But here's what you don't see yet. This situation involves an alleged random attack on a female jogger, and the man in custody is about to claim he's famous. Emotions are high, confusion's in the air, and the officer has to balance control, health concerns, and a suspect who seems unstable. Was this intoxication, mental distress, or something else entirely? Stay locked in because what he admits next changes everything.
Why do you keep coughing? Because you're what?
I'm a mushroom.
A mushroom?
Yeah.
That makes you cough? Oh, I didn't know that was a side effect.
This is where the gravity of the situation becomes clear. According to officers on scene, the suspect allegedly approached a random female jogger, tried to hug her, and when she resisted, he threw her to the ground and started punching her. That's not a misunderstanding, that's felony battery territory. Notice how the officers communicate clearly and matter-of-factly. No exaggeration, no theatrics, just facts. That's important in real-time policing. When responding to violent incidents, officers focus on containment first, explanation second. And here's a question for you. If you were that jogger, how would you want officers to handle someone like this? Immediate arrest, mental evaluation, both?
Oh my God,
Come here.
I lost everything.
You didn't lose everything. Here, let me see. Put your hands here. Check it out, see? I'm gonna put them in the front.
Do you know me?
Do I know you? No.
No, do you know me?
I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna leave this open.
This is fucking awesome.
Here.
Bro, I'm not running. You don't need it, bro.
All right?
Okay, but I want to talk to you.
That's fine.
Do you have time for me?
Yes, if you step in there. I got you. Let me go get the keys so I can turn this van on.
This is fucking awesome.
All right.
Where are you going?
I gotta get the keys so I can turn the van on.
What?
The keys so I can turn
For what?
the van. The one you're in.
What?
What you're in.
Where you going?
I'm gonna turn it on so you get air.
Bro, this is fine. You heard about me?
No.
Okay, so I'm super. I want to try to tell you this. First of all, I don't know why I wanted to what exactly attack this girl for no fucking reason. No one's gonna forgive me about this.
Hey, it's Taurus, just coming in. What you guys got?
Now watch closely. When officers say stop resisting, that's not just filler language. That indicates physical tension. Even small movements during cuffing can escalate risk quickly. Officers are trained to repeat commands clearly and loudly to establish lawful control and create an audible record. That protects everyone involved. The suspect appears agitated, possibly confused, maybe intoxicated, but officers can't assume. They have to secure first, assess second. This is textbook control technique: direct commands, limited force, and quick repositioning. Do you think they handled the resistance proportionally, or would you have approached it differently?
Random jogger female. He came to her, tried to give her a hug. She refused, and then he started punching.
Oh, well, Leon, when he got here, he's like, everything good to go? We're like, no. He goes, I got a cousin that lives up here.
He goes and gives her a hug. She's like, get away from me. And he grabs her, throws her on the floor, starts punching the shit out of her.
Sit up.
Ready?
Come on.
Esto, come pinga. Como pinga da.
Hey, watch it.
Guys,
Hey, you want him on the driver's side? Passenger side?
Watch your head.
guys, listen to this. Oh, no, listen, no, guys. Guys, oh.
How do you want to do this?
Okay.
Get up
I'm not.
and sit in there.
Okay.
Get up
Listen to this.
and sit in there.
Okay, listen.
Stop resisting.
Okay, guys, I'm trying to tell you something. Oh!
Here's a shift in tone. The suspect starts spiraling emotionally. I lost everything. This is something officers see often after adrenaline crashes. Once the chase or confrontation ends, reality sets in. Notice the officer softens his tone. He reassures him, offers water, adjusts positioning. That's de-escalation 101. Calm voice, practical solutions, reassurance without excusing behavior. It's interesting. The officer keeps authority but introduces empathy. That balance is crucial in custody situations, especially when someone begins expressing despair. Have you noticed how quickly the energy changed once he realized he wasn't getting out of this?
Sure.
If you guys listen to this, oh, listen. Guys,
All right, get in there. Get in there. Get in there.
No, listen.
No, hold on, the door's gonna bust. Get in there, bro. Get in there.
Right. Yo, brother.
What's up?
Listen to this.
I'm listening.
You ready?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I'm listening. I didn't hear anything. Are you speaking? Are you talking? Are you sick? Hello? Are you sick? So why do you keep coughing? Why do you keep coughing? Because you're what?
I'm a mushroom.
A mushroom?
Yeah.
That makes you cough? Oh, I didn't know that was a side effect.
What's up, brother?
What's up, man?
953.
I'm all right. How are you?
620 Carlisle. 620 Carlisle. A neighbor dispute. Caller is the President Association.
What's up, brother?
What's up?
What's your name?
What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
Vitaly.
Huh?
Vitaly.
Vitaly?
Yeah.
Is that Russian?
Yeah.
Okay.
How are you, man?
Silk. You still got that mask on?
Yes, sir. How are you, man?
I'm all right.
Huh?
I'm okay.
How are you?
No, you don't.
Where you going?
Going to Miami Beach Police Station. Can't let this one. 1159, show me arrival 05.
2039.
Traffic control will be arriving.
Stay there, stay there.
I'm not brother.
Relax.
I promise you I won't hurt you.
So slide out for me. Can you slide back?
Our Ranger.
Right there, right there. Stop, stop, stop.
Just throw me out of the
No, just stop. Relax.
Oh my gosh. Holy shit.
Look at that. Come on.
Oh my god.
Come on, sit up for me.
Brother.
Sit up and come out. Come. We made a deal. Come on.
That's it, brother. I'm not gonna hurt you.
Okay, let's go.
I'm sorry. I lost everything I had.
Okay, come on. You're all right. Relax. I'll get you some water. Okay, come here.
Oh my gosh.
Come here.
I lost everything.
You didn't lose everything.
This is a critical moment. The suspect openly admits, I attacked this girl for no reason, and then follows it with, I just want to die. That changes the entire risk profile. The moment someone expresses suicidal ideation, officers have a duty of care. That means monitoring, ensuring safe transport, and potentially flagging for mental health evaluation at intake. Watch how the officer immediately says, don't go there. He redirects. That's intentional. You don't validate self-harm talk, you stabilize it. This is no longer just a criminal arrest, it's also a potential mental health crisis. What do you think should happen next in situations like this? Jail, hospital, or both?
Yes. Yes, here. Let me see. Put your hands here. Check it out, see? I'm gonna put them in the front. You gotta leave your mask on though.
Okay, I'm sure.
Mask has to go on. Put it over your face.
Okay, so can you listen to, do you know me?
Do I know you? No.
No, do you know me?
Here, put this hand in here. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Put it in. Put
I
it
want
in.
to tell you something. Yeah.
What's up?
I'm serious. I want to tell you something.
All right, walk with me, please.
Brother.
I'm gonna turn the air on and everything. That way you got some air.
Yeah,
Come on.
no,
You can talk.
I'm listening.
I'm listening.
I love you, man.
Okay.
No,
Listen.
I'm serious. But
It's okay. You made a mistake. It'll be all right. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna leave this open.
this is...
Here.
Bro, I'm not running. You don't need it, bro.
All right.
Okay, but I want to talk to you.
That's
Do you-
fine.
Do you have time for me?
Yes, if you step in there. I got you. Let me go get the keys so I can turn this van on.
No, I'm sorry. Wait, hold on. Where are you going?
I gotta get the keys so I can turn the van on.
What?
The keys so I can turn
For what?
the van. The one you're in.
What?
What you're in.
Where you going?
I'm gonna turn it on so you get air.
Bro, this is fine.
Yes, but I want you to have air, and I'll get you some water. Give me a second. Huh? Yeah. Those cuffs were tight as shit. He started to come to his senses. All right. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. You feel the air? You feel the air?
Can I talk to you?
Yeah, what's up?
Can you open this?
No, I can't open.
Are you tripping?
No,
No.
you're tripping.
I know, but I want to talk to you, man.
I'm listening.
I'm sorry again. Okay, so listen to this. This is very important. I need to see you told me you're gonna get water.
Yes, I'm gonna get you some water.
Thanks, brother. Listen to this. You know me?
No, I don't know you.
Vitaly.
No, I know, but I don't know you.
You heard about me?
No.
Okay, so I'm super. I want to try to tell you this. First of all, I don't know why I want to think what exactly attacked this girl for no fucking reason. No one's gonna forgive me about this. I ruined my whole life and the whole thing.
What do you mean? What do you mean you ruined your whole life?
I attacked this girl for no reason. I ruined my life because.
And now comes the twist. He claims he's a famous YouTuber with 10 million subscribers. This is fascinating from a psychological standpoint. Some suspects cling to identity when they feel control slipping away. It's almost like he's trying to remind the officer and himself that he matters. But notice the officer's reaction: calm, neutral, unaffected. That's professionalism. Fame doesn't override probable cause. Status doesn't erase alleged battery. This moment highlights something important. Accountability doesn't scale with popularity. Do you think public figures should face harsher scrutiny or exactly the same process as anyone else?
I just want to die.
No, don't go there. What do you do for a living?
I do for a living. I'm so fucking successful. I'm famous.
What do you do?
Huh?
What do you do?
I got 10. You remember the Miami? You remember the Pesto in 2012?
Yes.
You remember the guy that dressed up as Tommy chases the guys in the hood?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm famous. I have 10 million subscribers on YouTube around Vitaly, fucking uncensored, where I do pranks with topless girls. I'm fucking
Okay.
a millionaire.
Let me go get you some water.
I
Give me a
know, but
minute.
come on.
Let me get you some water. Give me a minute.
Now we're at the formal transition. Jail intake. The officer confirms the charge: battery, potentially second degree. This is where street interaction becomes paperwork and prosecution. Everything up to this point, commands, de-escalation, transport, now feeds into the legal system. The suspect is calmer, more resigned. You can see acceptance creeping in. This is also where use of force scrutiny happens. Body cam footage becomes evidence, not just documentation. Every word, every command, every adjustment matters. Did the officers maintain professionalism throughout? Based on what we've seen, what stands out to you most?
What? No, we. Yes. By the airport. Yes. Going east, going west, sir. Going west, buddy. About 15 minutes. 15 minutes. I'm not driving 95, sir. West. West. Almost. Almost. Less. Juliet 1159. 1159, show me arriving at TGK. Yep. Hold on. Huh? No, use the one that you got in there. Nigga going on for the city. They'll probably give you something.
Oh, okay, cool. I just wanted to see you had that this mask, because they have. But
You're good.
I'm good. Good.
Okay.
This thing, I gotta keep it.
But cover it. Hey, just keep it. Go through the, go through the metal detector. Hey, hey, how are you?
Face that way, I gotta sit. Really, Silk? You can put your arms on the man?
Oh, I'm stretching.
You can put some clothes on the man, Silk?
Why you hating?
Hey, babe. Oh, let me go by my bra. Bye, bring all these naked people in here.
It smells like shit. Everything in my mouth.
Bring all these naked people in here, Silk. You gotta see. What the hell? He got arrested on the beach? Oh, he's on here.
This is TGK.
What is DGK? What?
Turner Guilford Knight Correctional Facility.
What part of the
It's by the airport.
South Florida I'm in? Where'd you take me?
Doral, by the airport. You know where the Miami airport
It's
is?
the main airport.
Yes.
It's the main jail. Okay.
No, he's not out there, but he is, yeah, I know.
Wish we could get off this stupid shit.
Oh, you don't like it?
You guys don't have it on my top, right?
No, just your ID.
What's up?
Just your ID. Everything else was left.
Everything's gone. Got it.
Everything else is at the house.
You have my charges in there?
You got charged with battery.
Okay.
So let's break this down. A random alleged assault, a suspect displaying erratic behavior, emotional collapse, claims of fame, and officers balancing control, empathy, and procedure from street to jail intake. This footage shows the layered complexity of modern policing. It's not just about handcuffs, it's crisis management, legal awareness, mental health considerations, and public accountability all at once. Whether you agree with every word spoken or not, the professionalism and procedural flow are clearly visible.
Felony, because she had to get stitches. I'm 100% serious.
First or third degree?
Second degree. Hello, sir. Have a seat till he's ready.
That's some
Yeah, you good. Yeah, we'll get you a pair in a second. Yes. We'll get you a pair in a minute.
What's up?
They'll get you a pair in a minute. Give him a second.
Where's